What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on FIO protocol, which has gone for a major increase in value guys, over 75% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 4 cents. And as you guys can see, the pump up did take place earlier this morning and it is still ongoing right now. So we're going to be looking at what is next for this crypto. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? And also looking at its prediction over the long term in 2024. How high can it go? Can it potentially hit 10 cents, or is it going to drop back down? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is now the right time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up higher? So also covering both short-term and long-term investors as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of FIO protocol, which is here in purple at 0.02758 cents, and the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.04621 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that it is quite overvalued right now due to the major difference, or the gap between the purple and the red value here. So it may be in for a little bit of a dip, which I will be going through later on in the video. But for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And on the positive side, the crypto market is on the green side today and yesterday, with Bitcoin pumping over $47,000, which is absolutely insane. And this had also have a positive impact on the crypto market. As you guys can see, majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from FIO protocol over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting it to drop below the 4 cents target. Again, I'm not saying it's going to start crashing right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher, above 5 cents over the next couple of hours, before it starts to slowly hit red candles, dropping below the 4 cents target, as it has pumped up quite a bit, as you guys can see, over 75%. So it is slightly overvalued right now and is due for a little bit of a dip, which I'm expecting to take place over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that has taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. That's not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting FIO protocol to have dropped back down to around the 3 cents target, is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Exact same reason as the previous chart. Again, it's overvalued right now. It's gone for a major increase, so do expect more red days over the coming days, as well as early next week as well. Again, it's not going to be every single day hitting red days. Do expect the odd green day in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side. So dropping down to around 3 cents is what I'm expecting from FIO protocol over the next 7 to 8 days, so essentially towards the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, we still got the blue and the orange line looking way too steep, guys, going in a bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. Same reason as last chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, even though I'm expecting the crypto to be heading to around the 4 cents target by, let's say, late March, early April to mid-April as well. So over the next approximately 2 months, I'm expecting Fiat Protocol to be hovering around the 4 cents target. Yes, it is an overall drop from where it is at the moment. However, as I mentioned earlier on, I'm expecting it to drop down further down to around just below 3 cents over the coming week or two before it slowly starts to gain value above the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting by late March and early April. So it has to go for a price correction first and then slowly and steadily start to gain value. However, with the Bitcoin halving coming in April, this can have a major impact, not just on the value of Fiat Protocol, but the crypto market in general, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. But again, if you guys want to keep up to date on a regular basis, other than YouTube, what you guys can do is join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, it is on offer right now using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. And again, to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'll show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. The second chat is a general chat where I'll give you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict, and you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do predictions and analysis on, which I will also provide. Again, don't worry about the figures here. The screenshot is nearly about 2 years old, but yeah, you get the gist of what happens. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Fiat Protocol. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, it is currently trading in the green zone, meaning it is not sustainable and overvalued because it did not resist at all at the green resistance target here, meaning it is more than likely going to drop back down into the red zone over the coming hours and days as well, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, because right now it's not sustainable as it did not resist at all when breaking through this line. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can also see here the trading volume has gone up nearly 4,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $91 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is, of course, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is getting a lot of traction right now in the crypto world. So more and more people are looking to buy the crypto, and some people may be looking into selling it as well if they are on a profit. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.